I-65 shutdown, Louisville, Kentucky, day number whatever of many until July 31st of this year. This is a road vlog on how to get around the construction that is basically I-65 from a 5-mile stretch between downtown at Jefferson Street all the way down to I-264, which is known as the Warrison Highway or Interstate on the south side of town here. I'm showing you today the official route. Strangely, the official route isn't the shortest or quickest route. If you notice right here, Route A, which I already did on the previous video, has me going that way. That's actually the fastest route, but it's not the shortest route. I actually did a video a couple days ago of going on that route. This route is the route I'll be taking that doesn't involve the Tros typically. That's my everyday route. That's 31 minutes and 17 miles. Much shorter, but much longer at the same time. And then you have the official route, 29 minutes, 26 miles, taking the scenic route all the way around Louisville, Kentucky. So we're going to take the scenic route today, or the scenic / official route today. So here we go. 2 miles, I will be ramping off onto I-64 West. Plenty of signage here at the bridge that crosses over the Ohio River. Welcome to Kentucky. Here's my exit, I-64 West toward St. Louis, which is only one lane. Guess they weren't anticipating a lot of traffic coming from the north on 65, so they only have one lane here. I'm surprised by that, but whatever. They do have the road continuing on to allow local traffic, or allow traffic to exit off onto Jefferson Street, which is a downtown city street. But for the official route, we're on I-64 West at this time, coming up on the 2nd Street Bridge, that sulfur yellow color bridge here in front of you. That's my typical way I go back and forth to work to avoid the trough that is the bridges that we just crossed. $2.68 worth one way. And 2 miles, I'm going to be ramping off onto I-264 East, which is the north-south road around Louisville. And then we will continue that onto that highway until we wrap all the way around to the south side of town and beyond the construction zone and back onto I-65. So I hope you find this video informational. Maybe a little boring because it's just an interstate drive, but If you like this type of video, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smash the thumb or give me a like to help out the algorithm, and share the video out for others that might be interested in how to get through the mess that is the I-65 shutdown, Louisville, Kentucky, until July 31st. Basically another 7 weeks away. Thanks for watching. Here we go on the as we continue west, and then we will go south here in about a half a mile. And now we are on 264 East, driving in a southerly direction as we are continuing to go around the detour of I-65. And in case anyone's wondering, where's all the traffic? This is actually a Saturday morning I'm filming this video on, so we don't see the rush hour traffic as you normally would. On the afternoon drive, the eastbound, or the 264 east traffic, which is the direction I'm currently on, is bumper to bumper of traffic. Basically traffic that's leaving downtown. They are taking this route around town to avoid the city streets and avoid the road closure. And this route right here is extremely busy during rush hour on any afternoon shift, or during the afternoon rush hour. Not today. This is a Saturday, so it's easy peasy driving today. And this upcoming exit right here, exit 1, will take you down to Fort Knox and the U.S. Gold Repository. Yes, there is a physical building down there. I've driven past it a couple of times. Very, I don't know, not gonna bear word ominous, but it's definitely there. Now, is the actual gold in there? That's a topic for another day. But we are